See the solution of first part. Is it clear, bete?
Yes, sir.
Good. See the second part. How far the point directly opposite to the straight point does the boat reaches to the opposite bank? This is the river. Person is moving in this direction and river is moving in this direction. So the person will reach to the another bank at this point. Means this distance you have to find, and in this direction speed is the speed of the river, that is 2, and the time taken is 40, so it will be 80 meter. Now question number C. In which direction actually the boat will move? In this direction. What is this direction? Suppose this angle is theta, then theta will be, suppose 10 theta, then 10 theta will be, in this direction it is, this speed is 10 meter per second, and in this direction it is 2 meter per second. So if we draw the triangle here, this becomes 10 and this becomes 2, then it is 10 by 2. It means theta is equal to 10 inverse 5. Am I right, Vijay? Is this question clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now try this question, Vijay. A man can swim at the rate of 5 km per hour in still water. In, just listen, just we have to edit. 1 kilometer. ये 1 है बेटे. Wide river flows at the rate of 3 km per hour. The man wishes to swim across the river directly opposite to the starting point. This is the river. And man wishes to cross the river directly. Means he wishes to cross the river from A to B. A से start करता है और B पे पहुंचना चाहता है. Then what is the condition? He must have to keep his direction in this way so that it can oppose the velocity of river. and this velocity is 3 km/h, and this velocity is 5 km/h. And this angle is theta. It means here it is 5 cos theta, and here it is 5 sin theta. So if someone wants to move directly A to B, it means 5 sin theta should be equal to 3. So sin theta can be written as 3/5, and so theta will be 37 degree. Means he has to swim at an angle of 37 degree. So this is along what direction must the man has to swim. तो यहाँ पे आपको डायरेक्शन अगर लिखना है तो you must have to write 127 degree with the flow of water. क्या मैंने सही लिखा? This angle is 90 because river is flowing in this direction. This is 90 and this is 37. Then you must have to write 127 degree with the flow of water. Is it clear, bete? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
What should be his resultant velocity? See, आपने क्या किया? This is the velocity of main, actual velocity of main, and this is the component opposite to the river. Listen carefully. Opposite to the river, and this is the flow of river. ये दोनों ने एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर दिया. इन दोनों ने एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर दिया. So resultant velocity remain only this. Resultant velocity of velocity of main with respect, no, velocity of main is equal to 5 cos 37, and cos 37 is 4/5, so it is 4 km/h perpendicular to the flow. Is it clear? This is the answer of the second part.
Yes, sir.
See the third part. How much time will it take to cross the river? For crossing the river, it is of 1 kilometer. Width of the river is 1 kilometer, and the speed in this direction is 5 cos 37. That is 4 kilometer. It means time to cross the river is width of the river and the speed in the direction of, that is 5 cos 37, and that is 4. D is 1 kilometer and it is 4, means 1/4 hours. You can say it is 15 minutes. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So time is going to be over 1 minute left. So I'm not going to touch the new question. So be relaxed for 1 minute and enjoy. That's all for today's class. Bye.